Ready?
Ma'am, YouTube list. Yes, ma'am, you're live, ma'am. Now you can start.
Ma'am, I will start.
Yes, ma'am.
Education is no longer about what we teach, but how wisely we empower minds to learn, unlearn, and reimagine. A very good evening to all present here. With this thought, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to the 5 days virtually faculty development program on leveraging AI tools for innovative pedagogical approaches for smart teaching, learning, evaluation, and research. Organized by Accuracy and Department of Computer Applications, Sri Krishna Swami College for Women, in collaboration with Computer Society of India, Chennai chapter. In an era where artificial intelligence is reshaping classrooms and redefining academic practices, this FDP serves as a meaningful platform to explore how technology can enhance teaching, learning, evaluation, and research in smart and responsible manner. We are truly honored by the presence of our esteemed resource persons, enthusiastic participants who have joined us today, making this gathering an intellectually vibrant and purposeful one. We warmly welcome you all and look forward for these 5 days of insightful learning and collaboration. To seek the blessings of Lord Almighty for the successful conduct of this program, let us begin with a short prayer.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, to set the tone for this prestigious gathering, it's my privilege to invite distinguished academician who has been instrumental in shaping this faculty development program. I invite Dr. P. Amuda, Head Department of Computer Applications, to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, Sanyogita. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Vimal Gerald, our esteemed Principal, Dr. Anita Rajendran, Honorable Directors, Thiru K.B.K. Rajmohan, Thiru K.B. Arun, Thiru K.B. Krishnanand, and valuable Chair of the Computer Society of India, Chennai Chapter, Dr. Akila, our enthusiastic staff members, and my dear faculty participants from across the nation. A very good evening to you all. It is with immense pleasure and a sense of great promise that I extend a heartfelt welcome to each one of you to the inauguration of this 5 day faculty development program on leveraging AI tools for innovative pedagogical approaches for smart teaching, learning, evaluation, and research. This program, a collaborative initiative by the IQAC and Department of Computer Application of Sri Krishnaswamy College for Women in association with Computer Society of India, Chennai chapter, stands as a testament to our shared commitment to advancing education in the age of artificial intelligence. We are profoundly fortunate to have with us as our guiding force our chief guest and resource person, Dr. Vimal Gerald. Sir, your expertise and insights in this field are invaluable, and we eagerly look forward to your sessions that will undoubtedly light the path for innovative pedagogy. Welcome you, sir. Our sincere gratitude to our principal, Dr. Anita Rajendran, and our visionary directors for their unwavering support in fostering a culture of continuous learning and innovation. A special thanks to Dr. Akila for their pivotal role in convincing and organizing this timely program. I also extend my appreciation to our dynamic team of staff coordinators whose meticulous effort have brought this virtual event to life. Most importantly, I a warm welcome to all our participating faculty members from various colleges and schools. Your presence here today signifies a proactive steps towards growth and excellence. You are the catalyst who will translate the knowledge from this FTP into impactful, smart, and engaging learning experiences for your students. Let us make these 5 days a period of collaborative learning, spirited discussion, and skill building. May this program equip you with not just tools, but with a new lens to envision the future of education. Welcome once again and let the learning begin. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome. It's time to introduce and learn more about our esteemed resource person. I call upon Dr. K. Anusha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, to give a short note about our resource person.
Good evening, everyone. We are privileged to welcome Dr. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor of Computer Science at St. Joseph's College, Tiruchi, as the resource person for this 5 day virtual faculty development program, AI Tools for Innovative Pedagogical Approaches for Smart Learning, Teaching, Evaluation, and Research. Dr. Gerald brings with him 14 years of distinguished teaching experience and an exceptional academic background, holding degrees in MCA, MBA, MPhil, PGDBI, PhD in computer science, and an MSc in psychology, along with being UGC NET qualified. His research expertise spans IoT, computer networks, and smart health systems supported by UGC and institutional grants. He has published 15 research articles, including 7 Scopus Index journals, authored books, and contributed chapters in computer science. As a UGC recognized trainer in ICT tools, Dr. Gerald has delivered more than 350 invited technical sessions and trained nearly 25,000 faculty members nationwide in ICT enabled teaching, learning, and evaluation. He has also played a pivotal role in the development of JOSTEL, the college learning management system, and has organized numerous conferences, workshops, and FDPs. His outstanding contribution has earned him several prestigious honors, including Best Researcher Award, Best Teacher Awards, and the Kamaraj Award. Today, we are honored to have Dr. Vimal Gerald as our resource person whose expertise in AI tools and innovative pedagogical approaches will enrich this faculty development program and empower participants to embrace smart TLER practices. Thank you. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. With this, we now move on to the commencement of the program. I cordially invite Dr. Vimal Gerald to begin today's session on presentation on leveraging Gen AI tools for smart teaching, learning, valuation, and research methods. Over to you, sir.
Ma'am, I'm unable to open my camera. I think there is an issue with this yardstick. I'm trying to open it,
No
but I'm
problem.
unable.
You can continue, sir. No problem.
I don't know why it is disabled, ma'am. I am unable to touch upon, but it's not able to.
Sir, you can
Narmada,
click
ma'am.
on Sir, you can click on present or invite icon so that you can present your screen, sir. There is a separate space called present or invite, sir. You can click on that and you can present your screen, sir.
Sir, out of stage back.
1 minute. I have some difficulty. Yeah, right now it's fine.
Yes.
All for the greater glory of God Almighty, most respected principal of the esteemed institution, Dr. Anita Rajendran, Dr. Sri KB Krishnanand, Director, Shri KB Arun, Director, Shri KB K. Rajmohan, Director, and all the administrators of the college, the organizing team headed by Dr. Amuda, Head of the Department of Computer Applications, Dr. Aguila, Computer Society of India, Chennai chapter, staff coordinators, and all the faculty members, student friends, teachers from various schools. A very good evening to you all. How are you all? Are you all watching me? If you are all watching in YouTube, press 1 in the chat window. I do not know because only 3 of us are on stage. I could see Dr. Sumita and Dr. Ramuta and Dr. Anusha, of course. They are all part of me. They are in studio. I don't know how many of you are connected. I don't know idea about people connected. You can just check how many are connected. Press 1 in the chat window. How many are watching me? How many are listening to me? Press 1 in the chat window. Can someone tell me how many have pressed 1 in the chat window? And Dr. Anusha, could you please help me if you're watching the
Sir,
YouTube?
19 are watching the video, sir. 19 faculties are watching, sir.
8 have responded, sir.
8 have responded. Okay,
Yes.
out of 90, only 8.
9. And the
8.
count is moving on, sir.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Dr. Sumitra. So, my dear friends, I'm really very glad. I'm really very much honored for this opportunity. I'm thankful to Dr. Dr. Amuda, Dr. I'm very grateful to Dr. Amuta, Dr. Akila, special thanks to Dr. Narmada, who was connected, and Dr. Anusha, and all of you, my dear friends. In the right time, you have ventured in organizing, leveraging AI tools for innovative pedagogical approaches for smart teaching, learning, evaluation, and research. My dear friends, many of us are teachers. We could have felt a lot of changes today. Yes or no? Now we have a lot of changes. When we started our career as teachers, our professors, the students were much submissive, and today teaching becomes much challenging. Why? Because of the new norms. Okay, so my dear friends, whom we are dealing with are completely dealing with our Gen Z, digital natives. They are different from the students who we handled 10 years before. Now the students are completely different. The students of today would like to have something different from what we do in the classes. They would like to see us as different teachers. They would like to see us a smart teacher who could give them a joyful experience coming into the college or coming into the school. Are we giving a joyful experience, or are we giving them, in their terms, troubles? Are they happy coming into the college or school? $1 million questions. So professors and teachers, teaching fraternity, scholars, you and me need to be a different teacher today. Yes. You and me should just leverage or integrate ICT so that we can do whatever that we do, but we can embellish, we can add flavors of modern day teaching, learning, evaluation. So you and me should become smart teachers. For that, AI becomes essential. So my dear friends, I warmly invite you all for the presentation today. And only today, I'm going to give you a presentation. Tomorrow onwards, it's going to be demonstration. Okay, only today, we are going to have presentation, and tomorrow onwards, it is going to be demonstration. Okay, so tomorrow onwards, it's going to be demonstration. So my dear friends, let me just go ahead. Feel free to stop me and ask me for any clarification. So before we move on for venturing in for demonstration of learning some of the AI tools, it is essential that all of us must know why this AI tool is essential. We have been dealing with students all through the years. Why this new norm of integrating technology? Why this AI tool should be integrated along with our teaching, learning, evaluation to make us smarter? All that I'm going to give you. Then later we'll just have discussion. Then today we call it a day. Then tomorrow onwards, it's going to be purely a demonstration. Okay, dear friends. Okay. Are you getting me properly? Is everything fine? Press 2 in the chat window quickly before I share my screen. One minute.
Yes, sir. We are able to follow you, sir.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm just trying to upload my presentation. Kindly hold on. Ma'am, I'm just getting it. Yeah. Ma'am, will I not be able to present it directly? Tomorrow onwards, what I suggest, I prefer people be here part of this gathering, ma'am, so that we can have direct contact. Because only 4 people here, I feel missing them, missing the participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
And I
Tomorrow
still have
onwards, we
some
will meet.
difficulty in sharing
We
my
will meet
presentation.
through Gmeet, Google Meet.
Yeah. Another thing,
Yeah.
I'm unable to share my presentation. Kindly wait. I didn't know it much earlier that we need to upload our presentation. Should we need to upload the presentation completely here, ma'am?
Sir, you have to press on present or invite and then you can do the presentation, sir.
That's what
Yes,
I'm
yes.
just loading my presentation. It is taking quite a long time. Okay, let me just go ahead, let it come. Okay. So, my dear friends, I want all of you to please understand the outcome of this session. Understand the features of AI. I want all of you to understand the features of AI. I want you to leverage AI for your teaching, learning, evaluation. And I want you to befriend AI tools. I'm going to give you at least for this week completely, we will learn more than 10 tools. If not all the tools, at least know well certain tools. And I request all of you to have hands-on practice. Okay, immediately after having given a demo, I want you to please have hands-on practice so that you can have enhanced learning. Otherwise, you will be missing. Now, my dear friends, the whole world. I'm sorry, my presentation is getting loaded. It is taking quite a long time. Okay, it is getting loaded. Can I send it to you, ma'am? It is getting a lot of time, ma'am. Usually, how many
Sir,
minutes
kindly
that
send
it
the
takes?
presentation through WhatsApp, sir, through to Narmada, ma'am. We will present, sir.
Yeah,
Our side will present.
it is taking quite a long time, ma'am. Okay,
Narmada, please see to it,
presentation. I
ma.
shall go ahead.
Please see to it.
Okay, let it come.
Download and present. Anusha, ma.
Yes, sir. You please send
Are
it
you
to
there?
me, sir. I'll do it
Narmada,
for you.
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, shall I send it to your mail ID, ma'am?
yes,
Shall I
sir.
send it to your mail ID?
Yes, SKC. Yes, sir. Already you have, no.
Yeah,
So, to send, sir.
yeah. I hope. I'm sending it to that. Okay. I think there is a small issue with internet, ma'am. That's why it is getting delayed. No problem. Let us proceed. We shall not delay. My dear friends, please go through the presentation. Once you receive it, I shall proceed. I'm sorry, I'm unable to wait for the presentation to be ready. Picture that I have given in the third slide shows that the world is full of connections. It is a digital world. All that we do are digitalized. We are able to connect agriculture, we are able to connect traffic, we are able to connect patients, we are able to connect all that we do. We are able to deploy smart applications using the digital world, thanks to telecommunication transformation, my dear friends. When the whole world changes, we also look at here. I am just giving you a beautiful video, but you are unable to watch because of the streaming issues. You have a beautiful video given in the fourth page. If you run it in PowerPoint, you'll be able to see. That shows the first video shows that robot, plowing in the field, and second one, you have a robot serving the food in a hotel, and third one is in a hospital, robot is taking care of the patients, and the fourth one is autonomous cars in US. So these are all beautiful visuals that everywhere the technology is much visible. The technological advancement is much visible everywhere, my dear friends. Not only in all the other fields, we also have in education. Yes, a chatbot or a robot is being deployed in India. Okay, not in abroad, just in India, in Kochi-based schools. We have robot being used for teaching, learning, evaluation into a school. The robot goes into a school in women's dress. Okay, she goes into the school, wishes the students, and to start teaching. She interacts with the students, just typically like we teachers do. Okay, a robot teacher. So, my dear friends, this is the evolution of technology today. Okay, so now when there is a change, we should understand the evolution of education today. Education 2.0 talks about master centric system of education, Gurukul system, where master is centered around everything. Okay, whatever master says, we need to obey, we need to carry out. Okay, where memory was the key concept, memorizing. Anything and everything people have to memorize. Okay, memory plays a vital role. And in education 2.0, slowly the collaboration takes place and systems came in. School system, college system, one to the other, help each other, collaboration came in. In education 3.0, a lot of new norms are coming. Master centric to student centric. Okay, everything centered around the students. Earlier, everything was centered around the teachers, but today, everything is centered around the learners. Okay, for example, in the year 2000, cafeteria model of teaching or choosing the subjects, choice-based credit system. The students were given much freedom to choose their elective subjects. Okay, they were able to choose anything in multidisciplinary aspects. Okay, choice-based credit system. And later we have got we have given freedom for the students today after NEP, multiple entry, multiple exits. Wherever you can come, you can join a college, and second year you can join another college, and 4 years degree. These are all new norms. Okay, right, my dear friends. In education 4.0, complete innovative pedagogical approaches have been recommended and integrated. Okay, we have case study based learning, we have problem based learning, we have blended learning, we have flipped model classroom. All that are something completely new. Completely new. Okay, new norm. So in this scenario, in the scenario of education 4.0, where innovative intensive approach along with activity based learning, blended learning, with the help of cloud computing, we need to understand one thing. Earlier, we were given freedom for the students. We emphasized the students to by heart things, memorize things. But today, it is not so. Okay, today it is not so. Okay, my dear friends. I suppose all of you are able to see my screen. Are you able to see my screen? Are you able to see my screen, ma'am? Ma'am, is the screen visible?
No, sir.
Can someone take
Have
my
you sent
screen, make it
the
visible?
video, sir? Sir, have you sent the video?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Is
We'll
it
check.
visible, ma'am?
Sir, yes, sir,
Yes,
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 sir.
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 Now it is
Yes,
I
sir.
visible,
think
sir.
now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is
Yeah.
visible.
Thank you, professors.
Thank you.
Sorry, technical difficulty. Look at here. I just show you one by one. Earlier we have seen this. Okay, see, robot teacher. See, these are all videos. Okay, that I was talking to you about. And earlier I was talking to you about the digital world. Okay, all that you are able to see. Right, fine. Now this is what I was talking to you. Okay, my dear friends. See here. Somebody can control over that. I think I am unable to control. It goes automatically. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Look at here, my dear friends. Education
Sir, I
4.0
can do
that
it
talks
for you,
about.
sir.
No, ma'am. I'll make it, ma'am. I'm able to make
Okay,
it.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
See,
sir.
education 4.0 talks about transformation, right? Telecommunication transformation that is visible in education 4.0, where we are supposed to be teachers introducing innovative pedagogical approaches, which is demanded in new manual for NAC Cycle 5. Hereafter, when you go for NAC assessment, this plays a vital role. What are the innovative pedagogical approaches that you practice in the college, in your classrooms? So, my dear friends, look at this screen. There are so many school teachers. Today, the traditional classrooms, chalk and talk. Chalk and talk is one of the proven method, 200 years old method. Still, it is really interesting. But the students whom we handle today, the digital natives, the Gen Z, or Alpha generations, they do not like the way we teach using the chalk and talk. So, shall we just do away with chalk and talk? No. See, but of course, when you use chalk and talk, additionally, you can also think of integrating technology. Okay, asking them to take their mobile phone, do something with their mobile phone, so that they are into modern techniques of teaching, learning, evaluation. And okay, shall we just move on for the LED based presentations? That also is not very, very attracting mechanisms. And look at it, in future, it's going to be there. In future, this is going to be. All the students from Krishnamurti College, they will come with a goggle. And your school students will come with goggle, and all that you compute will be visible in the screen given to them. Am I clear to you, my dear friends? They will have laptop in their classrooms. They will have Wi-Fi connection 24 into 7. They'll be able to do all their computing with the help of what they have. Okay, this is an example of augmented reality and virtual reality. Virtual reality. Okay, my dear friends. See, my dear friends, why all this? Because we are dealing with digital natives. Okay, we are dealing with digital natives. Who are these digital natives? Let me tell you. See, these digital natives are born in digital age. Those who are born after 90s, okay, in 90s or after 90s. Mostly they grow with internet and they grow with smartphone and social media completely. They're always in social media. When you send them a message at 2 o'clock, they will say, okay, okay. 10 people will say, okay for you. If you just, if you just drop a message when you are leisure, when the students are attending calls, they are able to see the message immediately when they are attending the class. Then what would be the concentration by the students? It is $1 million question. Though they are not concentrating, they are tech savvies, they are visual learners, they would like to learn visually. They would like to learn by looking at videos or by looking at some visuals. And though we have some advantages, we also have disadvantages. Their attention span is very less. You cannot be running a lecture for about 1 hour, more than 1 hour. They'll board up. They will certainly board up and nothing goes into them. They'll be very silent. It doesn't mean that they are receiving everything. So what should we do? We need to interact. We need to be interactive. We need to give them the feedback immediately. Okay, when you conduct tests or when you just give them feedback. So these are all some of the characteristics of digital natives. So my dear friends, look at here. See, there are so many works given or interested to all the professors by NAC. Okay, you have digital integration, you have MOOC design and development. Okay, do you offer any courses for MOOC from our college? Madam Amuda, is there anybody offering
No,
MOOC
sir.
courses?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
See, we need to design MOOC courses. How many 4-quadrant e-contents are developed by our college? We need to develop. Have you offered any online distance learning programs? We need to. All our curriculum should be industry tuned curriculum, and we are trying for it. Credit transfers. Is there any credit transfers have been done so far? Credit transfers. Okay, academic bank of credits. And we have blended learning implemented. We have multiple exit and entries, and we have data driven decisions. All these, we need technology. We need, techniques which will smoothen our process. Okay, my dear friends. For that, we should have AI. Number one, our students are digital learners. Number one, educational evolution. Education evolution that talks about new norms, that talks about innovative pedagogical approaches. Second reason is that, our stakeholders are digital natives. Our stakeholders are digital natives. And third reason is that UGC wants us to be doing several things, whatever that they have enforced on us. So one is just because of Gen Z, the stakeholders. Second one, NEP or the new norms given. And the third one, the digital natives whom we are dealing with. Okay, these are all three reasons. Once again, I tell you, why should we go for AI-based teaching learning evaluation? Number one, education evolution. Okay, where digital integration is essential. Number two, we are dealing with Gen Z. We are dealing with Alpha generation. Number three, UGC has mandated us so many new norms, new practices. For that, we need to leverage AI. Do you all understand why do we go for AI? Now look at here. What is AI? Can someone tell me what is AI? What is AI from YouTube? Sorry. Can someone tell me what is AI? What is AI? Any answer in YouTube? Yeah. What is AI? Any answer that you get it from YouTube? Any answer that you get it from YouTube? Professors, any answer that you get from YouTube?
Yes, sir. They have given making machines to think as a human.
Excellent. Excellent. Who has given that answer, ma'am? That's something great. That is something excellent. Yeah, their answer is excellent. Yeah, please give my appreciation to all those who have,
And
replied.
most of them are elaborating just artificial intelligence, sir.
Okay, fine. So I really appreciate all of you for, giving your expansion or giving your answers. Great. My dear friends, I'm just giving a scenario. If there is a fire set in your room, how will you react? If there is a fire set in your room, how will you react? Okay, you will run away. You will call the fire brigades. No, you will try to use fire extinguisher. You will run off. You will try to set off the fire. All these happens because of two things. Number one, you are learning. Your learning stays in your mind. Second one, your experience stays in your mind. Your experience stays in your mind. Okay, your learning and your experience stays in your mind. So your experience and learning in your mind, if something similar happens, it will instruct you to react for the situation. We all know fire hurts, experience. Okay, people should have told us if there is fire hurts, if fire sets, we need to call 101, learning. So your experience and learning stays in your mind, and that makes you react. Similarly, Can I expect a machine to react? Can I expect a machine to react? Can I expect a machine to react automatically? No, it will not. In this scenario, my dear friends, in this scenario, it is very clear that machine can also react based on something happens. See how AI should be defined. Look at here. Simulation of human intelligence. Simulation of human intelligence into machines. Simulation of human intelligence into machines. Or mimicking human intelligence into machines. Simulation of human intelligence into machines. Or mimicking human intelligence into machines. Human intelligence into machines. Okay, my dear friends. Especially the machine means computer, smartphones, robots, or any electronic gadgets like refrigerator, washing machine, and so on. They've got AI system connected. So now have you all got it? Got the explanation? Mimicking human intelligence. Okay, which processes machines? What are the machines? Computers, mobile phone, laptops, electronic gadgets, and so on. See, it has got 4 specific applications, my dear friends. Four specific applications. Number 1, speech recognition. Number 1, speech recognition. Number 2, natural language processing. Number 3, image recognition. Number 4, human vision or machine vision. Look at here, my dear friends. I'm going to talk to AI. See, can I, for example, I'm just asking, Amada madam, how are you, madam? Sumita madam, how are you, madam?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm
How
fine.
You
about you,
both
sir?
are replying. Both are replying. Can I expect a
Yes, sir.
machine to answer me? It is
No, sir.
impossible,
Only if
right?
it is instructed, it would be replying.
Yeah. Now look at here. After this, after this AI being integrated into machines, AI could also recognize our voice. Look at here. I'm just talking to you. I'm just talking it to it. See, I'm just calling. 1 minute. Kindly hold on. This is Gemini. Okay, all of you know this is Gemini. Please open Gemini app if you have Gemini app, or download Gemini app in your mobile phone. Gemini. Okay, it should not be called as Gemini. It is Gemini. Okay. Look at here. There is a voiceover. Look at here. I shall just give you voiceover. See, there is a small button like voiceover. Right, small. See, I'm pressing that button. Gemini, உனக்கு இந்த ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணமால் காலேஜ் ஃபார் உமன் சென்னையில் இருக்கு.
Sir,
அதை பத்தி கொஞ்சம்
we are, sir, excuse me, sir.
யா
Sir, we are
Yes,
Sri
ma'am.
Krishna Swami College for Women, sir.
I'm extremely sorry.
Thank
Gemini,
you, sir.
Sri, so ma'am, you can repeat. What is that?
Sri Krishna Swami College for Women, Ananagar, sir.
I'm extremely sorry. Gemini, ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி காலேஜ் ஃபார் உமன், அதை பற்றி எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் தெளிவான டீட்டெயில் சொல்ல முடியுமா?
தாராளமா. ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி காலேஜ் ஃபார் விமென் சென்னையில பெண்களுக்கான ஒரு பிரபலமான கல்லூரி. இது கலை, அறிவியல், வணிகம் போன்ற பிரிவுகள்ல பல்வேறு படிப்புகளை வழங்குது. பல்கலைக்கழக மானிய குழுவாலும் அங்கீகரிக்கப்பட்டிருக்கு. ஹாஸ்டல் வசதி, நூலகம், விளையாட்டு மைதானம் போன்ற பல வசதிகளும் இங்க இருக்கு. இத பத்தி இன்னும் ஏதாவது குறிப்பிட்ட தகவல் நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்கணுமா?
யார் பிரின்சிபல் அந்த கல்லூரிக்கு?
டாக்டர் அனிதா ராஜேந்திரன் தான் அந்த கல்லூரியின் முதல்வர். வேற என்ன தகவல் நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுக்க விரும்புறீங்க?
பிசிஏ டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் அந்த காலேஜில், அதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்ல முடியுமா? பிசிஏ,
ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணசுவாமி காலேஜ் ஃபார் விமென்ல பிசிஏ படிப்பு இருக்கு. இது கம்ப்யூட்டர் சயின்ஸ் சார்ந்த ஒரு இளங்கலை படிப்பு. இந்த பாடப்பிரிவுல கம்ப்யூட்டர் புரோகிராமிங், டேட்டாபேஸ் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட், நெட்வொர்க்கிங் போன்ற விஷயங்கள் சொல்லி தருவாங்க. இத பத்தி இன்னும் விளக்கமா தெரிஞ்சுக்கணுமா?
யார் ஹெட் ஆஃப் த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் சொல்ல முடியுமா?
ஹெட் ஆஃப் த டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் பத்தின தகவல் என்கிட்ட உடனே இல்ல. நான் தேடி உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். அதுக்குள்ள வேற ஏதாவது தகவல் தேவைப்பட்டா கேளுங்க.
அதை கொஞ்சம் தேடி சொல்லுங்களேன்.
பிசிஏ துறையின் தலைவராக திருமதி எஸ் கௌரி இருக்காங்க. மேலும் ஏதாவது பகுதிகள்
இல்ல
பற்றி
அவங்க இல்ல அவங்க இல்ல இப்ப கரண்டா இருக்கவங்க பேரு. மேம் எஸ் கௌரின்னு யாரும் இருக்காங்களா நம்ம காலேஜ்ல? மேம்
Yes,
Ma'am?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
She was a member of the department, sir.
தற்போதைய பிசிஏ துறை தலைவர் பற்றிய தகவல் என்கிட்ட சரியாக இல்ல. நான் அதை உறுதிப்படுத்திட்டு உங்களுக்கு தெரியப்படுத்துறேன்.
சரி okay, hold on for some time. Okay, now I'm going to interact. Hold on. So my dear friends, are you able to understand now? Are you able to get it? See, we are able to interact with Gemini and it is able to give us the answers all the time. So speech recognition. Can it understand different languages? Gemini, can you tell me a story in Telugu? Are you there connected? Hello, are you there connected? Please narrate a story in Telugu.
Yes, I can understand and respond in several languages. ఒకానొక గ్రామంలో సింహం, నక్క, పులి స్నేహంగా ఉండేవి. ఒకరోజు వేటకు వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాటికి చాలా పెద్ద జింక దొరికింది. దాన్ని ఎలా పంచుకోవాలా అని ఆలోచిస్తుండగా సింహం ఒక ఆలోచన చెప్పింది. ఆ కథ మీకు పూర్తి చేయమంటారా?
Please go ahead.
సింహం తన ఆలోచనను ఇలా చెప్పింది. మనలో ఎవరు బలవంతులు అని నిరూపించుకోవడానికి ఒక
So I'm stopping. See, I'm able to make it talk in Tamil. I'm able to talk in Telugu. I can make it talk in Hindi also. So we are able to get anything that we want just in a voice command. Okay, natural language processing, different languages. Image recognition. See, for example, right now, I'm just going to show the video.
That's right. Natural
Madam,
language processing
madam, can
allows
you-
me to
1 minute.
understand
Gemini,
and
please
respond
stop.
in various languages.
Gemini, please stop. Madam, please turn on your videos. Turn on your videos. Image recognition. Look at here. I'm going to ask Gemini to find out how many are connected. Gemini, tell me how many are connected in this video. How many are connected in this video call? Gemini, are you able to see how many are connected in this video?
I can clearly see 3 participants in the video conference frames. It's difficult to determine the total number of connected participants from the visible layout.
Can you identify their names?
I can identify 2 names from the labels below the video frames. Vimal Gerald and Sri Krishnamal. Some names in the video feeds are partially visible.
Could you please tell me what are the names that you see? Could you please come again once again?
The names I can clearly see are Dr. K. Anusha, Dr. J. Sumitra Devi, Surya Yogita Subramanian, and Vimal Gerald.
Are you not able to see the last one? Last. So professors, have you all got it? Have you all got it? See, I'm able to just get the details of people how many are connected, and see my battery is bit lower. That is why we are able to we are not able to just go ahead. Okay. So do you all understand, my dear friends? Do you all understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are all examples of AI's application: speech recognition, natural language processing, image recognition, machine vision. So we are able to perceive as a human, but it is able to detect, right? So these are all general applications of AI. Now, what are the types of AI? There are three types of AI. Please carefully note it. There are three types of AI. So far, madam, just get the response from YouTube. Friends, do you all understand whatever that I tell you right now? Those who have understood, press 1 in the chat window. Those who are not able to understand, press 2 in the chat window quickly. 7:30 exactly, we finish off the presentation. Don't worry.
Sir, many of them are understanding, like they have given one as their answers.
Great, great, great then. Great. So, my dear friends, shall we proceed? Shall we proceed, ma'am?
Yes,
Shall we
sir.
proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So, my dear friends, look at here. On screen, you see narrow ANI. In short, it is called as ANI, which means artificial narrow intelligence. If the computers or computing devices are limited with intelligence to perform only a specific task. See, for example, look at the AI camera that captures the people go without helmet, or go drive the car without seat belt. It recognizes and automatically issues challan to their mobile phone. It can perform only to that. Okay. So you can similar AI camera can be fixed in your college gate to identify your students and teachers. When they enter, automatically attendance will be given. Okay, automatic, and their parents will get a message that your daughter has come into the college. Okay, this is artificial narrow intelligence. It can perform only this. And now second, you have generative AI. All that you wanted. Okay, for example, you want to have a lecture notes, you want to have a presentation, you wanted to have a picture, you wanted to have a diagram, you wanted to have a simulator, you wanted to have an essay, research idea, visualization. All that you wanted to do can be done using this generative AI. You can get the response in the form of text, audio, video, images, and so on. You can get any form of text that you want. Okay, any form of video, any form of audio, any form of image, all that are possible here with generative AI. And the third one is artificial super intelligence. First one is ANI, artificial narrow intelligence. The second one is artificial super intelligence, artificial generative intelligence, AGI. The third one is artificial super intelligence, ASI. Okay, ASI. So, my dear friends, this ASI is beyond human capability. Okay, if the human beings are not able to perform something with their own intelligence, if they are limited with the capability of doing certain things, performing certain things, artificial super intelligence can make it for us. Okay, my dear friends, artificial super intelligence can perform certain tasks which cannot be accomplished by human beings, which are beyond the limits of human capabilities. Particularly, if there is anything to be done in space research, it can help us immediately. Okay, when there is a large data which is very much complex for solving by human beings. So, my dear friends, I've just given three: ANI, artificial narrow intelligence; AGI, artificial generative intelligence; and ASI, artificial super intelligence. Now, tell me, what are we falling in? What are we falling in as academicians? Tell me either ANI, AGI, or ASI. Get me, madam, please get me their answers. Give your answers in the chat window. Yeah. How many have responded, ma'am? What is ours? Tell me, my dear friends. What do we connected? What are we connected with? What are we connected with? Thank you, Dr. Sumita Devi, ma'am. What are we connected with? I'm just asking you all. Are they giving any
Yes, sir.
response, madam?
Yes, sir. Madhumati ma'am, she has given AGI.
No,
And
no, that is she is there and here with me in
yes, sir.
YouTube. YouTube. Could you please give me the link, ma'am, so that I can also see? I can handle few
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
answers. Yeah. Is there anybody who is responding?
Sir, I'll send the YouTube link to your WhatsApp, sir.
No, no. Here in the chat window itself, ma'am. You give me
Oh.
in the chat window. I shall take it up.
Okay, sir.
I can also take up few questions over there directly. Yeah. So, my dear friends, have you all connected? Have I got some answers? I would have.
And
Just proceed.
Chitra Gopinath, she has mentioned ANI, sir.
Chitra madam, it is not ANI. We are dealing with AGI because lecture notes, pictures, research ideation, all that cannot be done in one AI. See, for example, in the AI camera, can you get assignments? Can you get text responses? No. It can perform only with a specified work. But artificial generative intelligence, anything that you want can be generated. Do you all understand? Do you all understand? It is actually AGI, artificial generative intelligence. Madam, can I have the YouTube link in the chat window here? Just click the chat window. I shall just click into it.
Sir, it is sent in the chat window, sir.
Is it there? I am unable to see it here. See, I am then sending hi. Are you able to get that? Are you able to get that? Ma'am, are you able to get that?
No, sir.
Yes, sir. It is there, sir. We are
But I am
able to
unable
see
to get your message, ma'am. I am unable to get your message. Just send me once again. Sumita, ma'am, can you copy and send
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. By then, I shall move ahead. So, my dear friends, what AI can do for us? Yeah, right now it is fine. What AI can do for us? What AI can do for us? My dear friends, I'm just asking you what AI can do for us. The answer is, in general, AI can prepare you reports. Your NAC reports can be prepared so easily by uploading the invitation and give the format of the report. It will help you. It will help you to generate talks for a conference. It will help you to generate any address, whatever that you want. No. It can also generate beautiful letters. It can generate beautiful letters. Okay, my dear friends. Okay. And it can generate curriculum. It can generate syllabus. It can correlate. It can help us to correlate. It can help us to attain OBE. It can help us to generate lecture notes. It can help us to generate presentations. All that could be done automatically, right? It can also help us to generate MCQs, not only MCQs, but also fill in the blanks, true or false, assertion and reasoning, match the following. Any type of questions can be generated. Semester questions can be generated. Creative assessments to be given to the students can be generated. Case studies can be generated. Real-time problems for the presentation that we given could be generated. What not? We can generate anything and everything with regard to assessment in a very creative manner, that to integrating OBE, outcome-based education. And my dear friends, it can also help us to generate videos. It can generate images. It can generate AR, VR content. So any type of multimedia content can also be generated using this. Any type of multimedia content can also be generating using this. So my dear friends, look at here. You have administrative decisions also. Many of your HODs, you know, as, some of you hold administrative position in your college. So you can take decisions using the analysis. You can perceive a document using the analysis. You can technically draft, anything that you want. All that are possible, all the administrative works are possible using this AI. So far I've just told you about what AI could do for you. Now, my dear friends, please understand, AI is not substitute. I have told you about so much, positive about AI. Please understand, AI is not substitute of human intelligence. It is a tool to amplify your creativity. Am I clear to you, my dear friends? Usually, I will tell you with an analogy. You have ice cream. Today ice creams are served with the children. Even ice creams are not taken interestly by today's generation. So in order to attract the children today, what they add on ice creams? What do they add on ice creams? Can you tell me what do they add on ice creams?
Toppings, different toppings, sir.
Toppings, right? Different toppings are added in order to attract the learners of today. So my dear friends, our intelligence is natural intelligence is like ice cream, and only the toppings, the little bit that we add, is AI. So it should be 100%, out of 100%, 90% our own intelligence. Remaining 10% of intelligence can be AI. Am I clear to you? Can be AI. This is the portion of share between natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. Keep that in mind, my dear friends. Otherwise, we lose our, original intelligence, or, our own, given intelligence. Natural intelligence will be shrinked when we start depending on AI. Now, my dear friends, look at here. Now we are just moving on to the tools. Look at the tools on screen. We have got different chatbots. Okay, first you see chatbot by ChatGPT, by OpenAI. And the second one is by Copilot from Microsoft. And the third one is Gemini from Google. That's what I just gave you. Gemini from Google. Chitra Kash ma'am, she was asked. Gemini from Google. Okay, Gemini from Google. And the next one is black box. If you want to have any coding done, if you want to generate maybe a website, if you want to generate a mobile app, all that could be done with the help of black box AI. Okay, my dear friends, black box. Okay. Now, my dear friends, see, look at here. These are all very much trendy today. We have got, please understand, we have got DeepSeek, we have got QN, we have got, the Perplexity. These three are trendy today, and people very much use this. If you are not using it, many of us use only ChatGPT. No, you could use all the others of this kind, which will enhance your AI experience. Please make note of this, my dear friends. This is DeepSeek, QN, and the third one is Perplexity. The beauty of Perplexity is that the many Airtel users get it free of cost for an year, complete for an year. This Perplexity will give us the source of data, where the source from, where the data from. That source is also given in Perplexity. Okay, my dear friends. So these are all very much trendy today. Now we shall move on for other. Look at here. These are all other chatbots. Don't worry about it. And I have given all the chatbots as a link. You can make use of it. I will just give you the presentation. You can make use of this. And PPT. You can generate PPT using Gamma. Many of you know. Beautiful presentation can be generated using Gamma. Beautiful presentations. Similarly, there are, Gamma is limited. Only 10 presentation you can make. Look at here. There are similar tools. Okay, Slide Pilot, Presentary, Toom, TechTopus, SlideGo, all these are free presentation makers. Free presentation makers. Okay, my dear friends. And we have got AI boards. We use AI boards for interacting with the children or for drawing something without much effort. See, for example, I want to draw a purette and pipette. It is enough that I just make it like that and I am able to do it. Pipette and purette. Or anything that you want to draw can be drawn in a very, very simple manner. And one more thing, we will be able to interact with the children. See, for example, these boards can connect with the students. If you have a map, Indian map, I want my children to just mark down the capital of Gujarat. They'll be able to mark down. They'll be able to mark the state Gujarat from their mobile phone, and it will be reflected in the screen. AI-based smart boards. Look at AI-based e-contents. E-contents can be generated using AI. You have videos, you have a picture, you have a concept. If you could give the concept and it will generate you the videos automatically. If you describe, the image will be generated automatically. Look at here. These are all image generators. If you could describe, and you will be able to make a lot of images. Similarly, this is the tool for AI-based teachers, teaching assistants. See, for example, here, this tool helps us to generate lecture notes, lesson plan, unit plan, case studies, problems, real-time examples, drafting email for the students and principal or head of the department. You'll be able to generate games. You'll be able to generate assessments. You'll be able to generate questionnaire. All that you wanted as a teacher could be generated using these tools. I will just give you a demo on Alena in one of the days. Alena. Okay, please make note of it, dear friends. Alena. So these are all excellent tools for teachers to smoothen the process, all that we do. And my dear friends, the next is literature review. Many of the scholars are connected. I was told that many scholars are connected. Scholars will find time. Scholars will find time for review, literature review. This literature review can be done smoothly with the help of these tools. My dear friends, this will smoothen the process of reviewing, smoothen the process of research. But research should be done by us. Research should be done only by us. Am I clear to you, my dear friends? Research should be done only by us. See, there are many tools, out of which I just would like to just give you a simple example. Size space. Size space, if you could type your title or if you type your keyword, it will give you 100 papers similar to it, 100 papers. For those 100 papers, you will be able to have, 5 different elements. Insights of the paper, results of the paper, or research gap, future direction, something like this. You can have any 5 column. If you don't like a column, you can delete it and add something newer. So all that will appear in a table in a rows and column format. Okay. So we'll be able to make the review so easily. Okay. The process of review will be so easily. But of course, the review should be done by us. Okay. And my dear friends, look at here. These are all tools for data analysis and visualization. Data analysis and visualization. Data analysis and visualization. So my dear friends, this would enhance our analysis. You load your data set, whether it is your own or collected from Gaggle or elsewhere. You load your data set and it will give you different analysis, and it will also generate beautiful visuals for the data set or for the analysis that you wanted. Okay, for example, we have got a tool called Julius AI. You load your data set and instruct what you want exactly. It will give you beautiful analysis and along with the visuals. Okay, similarly, if you want to go for advanced data analysis, you can use Orange Data Mining. Beautiful tool for data analysis, which is completely free. It's also desktop version like SPSS, Orange Data Mining. Advanced machine learning algorithms, advanced deep learning algorithms can be used here. And similarly, you can do analysis even with ChatGPT also, my dear friends. Analysis can also be done with ChatGPT too. Okay, right. So, my dear friends, look at here. See, my language may not be great. In this scenario, I can enhance my language, enhance my technical writing using this paraphrasing tool. Look at here. So many paraphraser. One of the famous paraphraser is Wordify. You can note down Wordify, which is not here. Wordify. Go to wordify.com. You will be able to enhance beautiful wordings for your text. Wordify. And look at here, my dear friends. These are all tools for formatting. These are all tools for formatting your content. Okay, you have got PaperPal. You can load the paper and get the formatting and get what is the percentage of the acceptance of your paper based on the mistakes. It will also, in the paid version, it will help you to overcome the errors, overcome the limitations of the paper automatically. These are all done automatically. So, my dear friends, like this, you have got hundreds of tools, AI tools today. Hundreds of AI tools. Every day, you and me should pledge learning one of the tools so that we can have enhanced teaching learning evaluation. My dear friends, when we talk about AI so much, we should also understand the limitations of AI. Though AI could do everything for us, we need to consider towards some of the limitations of AI. Number one, transparency. We should know where the data comes from, because whatever content that is generated through AI may not be perfect. Okay, may not be perfect. So we need to authenticate the content. For authentication, we need to know the source. See, for example, I want to know about Vimal Gerald. See here, I'm just asking Gemini. Let us see whether it gives right answer. I'm just asking. Yeah, look at it. I'm just going to chat. Gemini, can you introduce Dr. A. Vimal Gerald for about 200 words about his academic qualification, achievements, and so on?
Dr. A. Vimal Gerald is an accomplished assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science at St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirapalli.
Can you tell me in Tamil?
டாக்டர் ஏ விமல் ஜெரால்ட் திருச்சிராப்பள்ளியில் உள்ள புனித ஜோசப் கல்லூரியின் கணினி அறிவியல் துறையில் உதவி பேராசிரியராக பணியாற்றி வருகிறார். இவர் கணினி அறிவியலில் முனைவர் பட்டம் பெற்றவர். அத்துடன் கணினி பயன்பாடுகள் மற்றும் வணிக நிர்வாகத்தில் முதுகலை பட்டங்களையும் பெற்றுள்ளார். யுஜிசி நெட் தகுதி தேர்வில் தேர்ச்சி பெற்ற இவர் லண்டனிலிருந்து சிறந்த கணினி அறிவியல் பேராசிரியர் விருதையும் மேலும் பல சிறந்த ஆசிரியர் விருதுகளையும் பெற்றுள்ளார். இவர் ரெகக்னைஸ்ட் ஆராய்ச்சியாளராகவும் செயல்பட்டு தேசிய மற்றும் சர்வதேச நிகழ்வுகளில் பங்கேற்று வருகிறார். இது அவரை பற்றிய சுருக்கமான தகவல்கள். வேறு ஏதாவது தெரிந்து கொள்ள விரும்புகிறீர்களா?
Any more details about him?
அவரை பற்றி மேலும் விவரங்கள் தேவைப்பட்டால் அவருடைய ஆராய்ச்சி பகுதிகள், அவர் பணியாற்றிய திட்டங்கள் அல்லது அவர் தற்போது செய்து கொண்டிருக்கும் பணிகள் பற்றி கேட்கலாம். எந்த தகவல் உங்களுக்கு தேவை?
Okay. Fortunately, dear friends, this has given us something unique. Okay, something without mistakes. Please understand, this has given us something very unique, and this has given us without mistake. But it can make mistakes. So if it makes mistakes, if you do not know me, so if you take that data, so what will happen? We will get a sorry figure. Better, we need to authenticate the data, for which we need to know the source of the data. Number one, transparency. Number two, can I generate a document? Can I generate lecture notes? Can I generate a picture? Can I generate PowerPoint? Yes, of course, we can make use of AI. No harm. But accountability is very important. Okay, we should also cultivate the habit of using the same among the children. So, my dear friends, we should inculcate the habit of accountability, acknowledgement. This is generated using AI. This has been drafted using AI. This story is generated using AI. This picture is generated using AI. All that should be acknowledged properly. And the third one is privacy. Don't feed the private data of vulnerables or maybe sensitive data of the students. Okay, we should be very, very careful about loading the data for analysis. We need to get their prior permission. If it is college data, the college principal has to be obtained with the prior permission. Okay, my dear friends. So, three things that we need to be guided for ethical and responsible usage of AI. Number one, transparency. Number two, accountability. Number three, privacy. So when we are making use of these three principles, and we use responsible AI. Okay, my dear friends, we use responsible AI. Okay, have you all got it? Now, my dear friends, it is a time for you to just ask for clarification. Is there any clarifications, ma'am? If there are any clarification, you can take up. Otherwise, I shall just do a little demo, which will be very, very interesting, and we can just go ahead with that. Yeah, come on, my dear friends.
Participants, the floor is open for questions and queries. You can post any questions or queries in the chat box.
Sir,
Is
I
there
have a
any-
question, sir.
Come on, my dear friends. Come on, I want all of you to.
So how come the AI will be dealing with the creativity of a person, sir? How will you evaluate the creative work which is generated by an AI?
Which creative work that you are asking about, ma'am?
Any kind
What
of
type of creative work?
creativity?
The thing is that, madam, AI could be creative because you are prompting. See, again, though it is done by AI, but the prompt is mine. Please understand, the prompt is mine. I have to make it generate a picture. For that, I have to be creative. Only when
Sir,
you
so
taking up my
is
instruction,
it
it generates. Yeah, please go
so
on.
is it the words prompting or the art which they do, sir?
Art of prompting. Yes, prompt. We call it as prompt engineering. I'm going to give you one prompt engineering technique called craft now itself. Okay, it's called craft, CRAFT, craft. We call it as craft model. Okay, craft model of prompting. Okay, madam. Craft
Okay,
model
sir.
of
Thank you, sir.
prompting. Okay, yeah. Any other clarification? Any other clarification? Any other clarification, friends? Otherwise, you shall understand craft model. Any questions from YouTube? Any questions from YouTube? Any questions from YouTube? Please post your question. Any questions from YouTube?
Till now, no questions, sir. You can proceed.
No questions. Have you all understood? If you have understood, press 5 in the chat window. If you have understood everything, press 5 in the chat window quickly. If you have understood, press 5 in the chat window.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yeah, please, madam.
Sir, can prompting done in any language, sir?
Yes, of course. But English is better. Right now, it can understand English better. Okay. So, if it is in English, fine. But other languages also, it can take it.
Okay, sir.
Ma'am,
Thank
please
you.
understand. It has to just get the tokens. I mean, it has to understand your query, your prompt. Then later it has to compare with the wordings. We call it as tokens. And one more tips that I wanted to give you, when you choose AI tool, we need to choose the AI tool based on the credibility, based on the company which has developed. Don't go for unknown tool. If you do not know the origin of the tool, please don't choose it. See, bigger play like Google, Microsoft, they cannot make bigger mistakes. Okay. I don't claim it as they are not fallible. They are infallible. No, there may be errors, but they cannot afford to make big mistakes. So I request all of you to please understand AI properly and use the tool based on their credibility. Okay, is it possible
Sir,
to translation of book?
Sir,
Yeah,
we
yeah,
got a question.
yeah.
Is it?
Chandrika, Jagannath Chandrika. Is it possible
Yeah.
to translate a book? Yeah, of course. Translation can be done so easily. Translations can be done so easily today. You can upload the document and you can use it, but there are AI tools limited. There are AI tools limited. Okay, see, for example, you can use Gemini. You can use Gemini. Load your book, and you'll be able to make it. Similarly, you can also use Chat GPT. Also, you can load your book and you can ask it to. Only thing is that you need to have a paid version of AI, paid version of this Chat GPT. Only then you will be able to upload a book and get translated. Otherwise, it will do only 1 or 2 pages of translation. Okay. Yeah. Any other queries? If there are no other queries, we shall just move on. I would like to just give you one tips for you. How
sir,
to
there is a question.
generate. Yeah.
Sir, are all the tools free, or else do we have any paid tools, sir?
Ma'am,
Free, are
nothing
the
is
tools
free.
free to use?
No, nothing is free. Nothing is free. Any tool should be used by subscription. But for us, they have given the limited usage. As academicians, we can use the limited version right now. If you are very much convinced, then you can go for paid version. See, for example, Perplexity 1 year free, Gemini free,
For the Airtel users
Google
alone, no, sir?
or Chat GPT Go version is free. Okay, you can make use of the free version, and they can definitely help us to do whatever that we want. I am doing it without the payments. Earlier, I just paid and subscribed with 2,000 rupees, but today I'm not doing it because everything is available free of cost. Okay, you can think of doing it free of cost, right? Okay, now
Sir,
let me just.
there is
Yeah,
one more question, sir. Which
yeah,
AI tool is used for translating a book?
that's what I told you. Any AI tool can do that. Any AI tool can do that. Okay, ma'am. Any AI tool can do that, ma'am. Right? Chatbots can do that. Okay. Now, professors, I'm just sharing on my screen. Now, look at there. I'm just sharing the screen. Is it visible to you? Can someone drop it on the stage, ma'am? Can someone drop that screen on stage? Particular
As of
screen on
now, it is
stage?
not visible, sir.
No, I've just shared a screen. At the bottom, look at there. At the bottom, I have shared a screen. It is there at the bottom. I am unable to bring it to the stage. Yeah, right now.
Yes, sir. Now
Look
it
at
is
here.
visible.
I'm going to give you prompting in the model of craft. Okay, this is Gemini. Look at here. Go type Gemini. Okay, the first link that you get is gemini.google.com. The first link that you get is gemini.google.com. Please understand. The first link that you get is, please go to Google and type Gemini, and the first link that you get is gemini.google.com. Click over it. Gemini.google.com. Gemini.google.com. There, look at here, you've got so many elements. Okay, so you need to log in with Google. Please log in with Google. After logging in with Google, you can describe the prompting here. Now I'm just giving the prompt. Here. Look at here. Craft, C-R-A-F-T. Please understand, C-R-A-F-T. C-R-A-F-T model. So I shall let you know what I mean by C. Context. Look at here. Context. R. Role. Third one is action. Please note down. Format. T. Target. Please note down, dear friends. I want you to please note down. Somewhere. Please
Yes,
note
sir. We
down
are
these
making little
somewhere.
notes, sir.
Craft. Context. C for context. R for role, A for action, F for format, T for target. Have you noted down? All of you noted down? Have you all noted down, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Have you all
Yes,
noted
sir.
down?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now look at here, my dear friends. I'm going to give you the craft prompt. See, generally, what do? We go for chat GPT, ask for, so look at here. Lecture notes on computer networks. Computer networks. Okay, lecture notes on computer networks. Look at here. So what it generates? See, it is not very clear about for whom the lecture notes and how many pages, what the details it should have. All that are not specified. So it gives in general. Look at here, it gives in general. Okay, it gives in general. Look at here. In general. These are not fine. So now I'm going to change this into a new one. Look at here. I am a faculty member of computer science, working in a college. I am invited. Look at here. I am invited. See, this is first. I am invited to train the school teachers on computer networks. So this is context. Okay, my dear friends, this is context. I'm just giving a role. I'm just giving the role for the chatbot right now. So far, I have just fixed the context. In what context I want to have notes. Second one, I'm just fixing the role. You are an expert. You are an expert in computer networks. Okay. See, I'm just giving the role. As a expert of computer networks, you are helping me. I'm just giving the role to it. Now I'm action. Help me with lecture notes on computer networks. Okay, this is action. Format. How do you want? I want the lecture notes in simple bullets. Okay, both in English and Tamil simultaneously. Okay, give real-time example. Give real-world examples. Okay, examples for each concept. Okay, real-world example for each concept. Specific diagrams could be added wherever essential. Okay, I wanted to have 3 pages. I want to have 3 pages. Okay, 3 pages notes. Okay, these are all format. How do you want? So clearly specify everything. And the fifth one is target. This notes is to be given to school teachers, both English medium and Tamil medium. They're the target. So my dear friends, a prompt has got 5 parts. Number 1, look at here. I'm a faculty member. Okay, I am invited. So I'm just setting the tone, setting the context. And I'm just giving a role to this chatbot. And what I want exactly, I want lecture notes on computer networks. And how do I want that? See, I have just elaborated very clearly. And finally, who are the targets? Now enter, look at here. Now I have just given very detailed lecture notes. Okay, look at here. I just give you this prompt in the chat window. You can also note down. Okay, I've just given this in the chat window. You can note down. Okay, my dear friends. Have you all understood, my dear friends? Have you all understood?
Yes,
you all
sir.
understood? Okay, madam. What I have given, you can load it in the YouTube also, madam. So my dear friends, look at here. I am able to get fantastic, notes. Fundamental building blocks. Adipadaikal mattum kattamaipu. Okay. A set of computers and computing devices. Look at here. Valangalai pagiravum, thagalgalai parimaravum. Okay. Sharing the resource, exchange of information. Second one. Key components. Okay. Third one. Look at here. English and Tamil. Beautifully given. Look at the diagram. Okay. So third page number 3, protocols. So now very clearly in Tamil and English with real-time example it has given. The way that I have given, it has given me. So this is the beauty of craft model or prompt engineering. So I want all of you to just write 5 prompts at least. 5 prompts at least. Okay, when you come for next class, next session, tomorrow. Tomorrow the timing we will just get it from Narmada madam later. So my dear friends, if you have any specific clarification, you are most welcome. I want all of you to write 5 prompts for your lecture notes of our presentation and so on. Tomorrow we are taking up curriculum design and content design for your academics. Is there any clarification, my dear friends? Is there any clarification? Is there any clarification? My dear friends, is there any clarification?
No, sir, as of now. It is very much clear, sir.
Okay, fine. So if you have any clarification, you are most welcome to clarify. Otherwise, we shall call it a day. We shall wait for some time from you. We shall wait for YouTube participants. If there are any queries, they can clarify. Just check whether they have got some clarification. Is there any clarification, dear friends?
No, sir.
Have you all understood, Professor? Have you all understood? Is there anything to be added?
Everything is clear, sir.
Really, Professor? Is everything clear? Really, ma'am? Or you want me to finish off?
So one participant
Ma'am?
has asked to share the prompt discussed just now, sir.
Yeah, I have shared it in the chat, no? Studio chat.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can just make it in YouTube. Yeah, please give it in YouTube. Okay, ma'am? My dear friends, tomorrow I'll just give you a tip. Tomorrow we are going to even create beautiful songs using AI. Okay. So there are some students connected. Fine. Okay. Yeah, some has any other clarification? Okay. Over to the organizers if there are no clarification. So my dear friends in YouTube, please help me. How was the lecture notes? How was the presentation? If the presentation is fine, if you're happy with the presentation, you can just give 5. Otherwise, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rate my presentation today, please, so that I can just make it. If you have any clarification, if you have any suggestions,
Excuse me, sir.
you're most welcome. Yeah.
We have a question from the YouTube, sir. How can we assess the assignments of students generated from AI?
See, you can load it in. You can load the assessment in AI and ask it for how many percentage of AI and how is it written by human being. All that will be. If you ask it to evaluate and give the comments, it will do that. It will do that. It can be done using the prompt. For that, you need to have unlimited account for uploading and downloading.
Any specific tool to check whether it is AI generated, sir?
There is a tool called Turnitin. You all know Turnitin. But it is very costly. But when you just load in ChatGPT itself and check, you'll be able to make it. Turnitin is the tool, right? So I want the student friends from YouTube. Student from YouTube. Okay. Your rating, please. Okay, many have given 5. Do we have any tool for checking AI generated or not? Yeah, I told you about Turnitin. Okay, I will also see some of the tools. Okay, friends. Okay, over to the organizers. I really enjoyed handling a session. You are all so interactive here on YouTube. I'm able to read things from your chat bots also. Okay, thank you. Thank you, friends. Over to the
Thank
organizers.
you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sparing your time and conducting this FDP so beautifully. And the day one was so informative with new prompts and types of AIs which you have introduced for us. It's very helpful, sir. We will be looking forward for the next tomorrow's session. Since you have said about music, also we are very excited for tomorrow's session. So thank you so much, sir, for coming and giving your insights very beautifully. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, Professor. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Sumita
Thank you,
Madam.
sir.
Thank you so much, Amuda Madam.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so
Thank
much, Anushka Madam. Thank you so much, all of you who have actively
Thank you,
participated.
sir.
Thanks a lot. Hope
Thank you
you
so
would have
much,
got
sir.
something in your lesson. And YouTubers, people who are connected in YouTube, what is your takeaway? You have to type something and go. What have you learned? Something new from this presentation. Type and you can leave. What have you learned from this session? Type and leave. I'm going to watch. Please type what is new and you can leave. Thank you very much. You can type what is new, what is your takeaway, and you can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sparing your time.
I'm watching all your responses. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Shall I end the live streaming, sir?
Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will read all your comments. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.